In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the app Importify on your Shopify store. I'm going to show you step by step how to do this, and it's actually very simple. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to your Shopify account and then sign in. Then go to the top left corner where you see how to test my website and then home. Then go down till you see my apps and go to apps and then hit visit the app store. So this will redirect you to the new website, and here you can select a new app. So you want to search for Importify because you want to install this app, and then search for it. As you can see here, Importify Easy Dropshipping, you can hit it, and now you can easily install it by hitting Add App. Just hit Add App, and now you can install it and then use it. You have to hit it once again to confirm, and now it's going to install. You have to select a plan to do. So when you want to just start, hit basic, hit subscribe, and then you can import products from AliExpress and all that stuff to your Shopify website. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.